I chose the book Being With You This Way as my children's book about diversity. And I chose this book because I think it's a really good book to talk about how even though we are all different, we all have similarities with each other. And the overall theme that I believe the book is about is friendship no matter what our differences are. One activity that a teacher could do with this book is after reading the story, they could discuss similarities and differences, and then they would talk about how everybody has hair and skin, but all those identifiers come in different colors, sizes, and length. Then I would have them choose a partner and make a list of how they are the same and different, but really have them focus on how they are the same and that everybody is a human and are people. So the book starts out, "Hey everybody, are you ready? Then snap those fingers and tap those toes and sing along with me. All right, here we go. She has straight hair, he has curly hair, how perfectly remarkably strange. Straight hair, curly hair, different, but the same. Now isn't it beautiful, simply unusual, being this way with you? Say what a big nose, hey what a little nose, how perfectly remarkably strange. Big nose, little nose, straight hair, curly hair, different, but the same. Now isn't it satisfying, simply electrifying, being with you this way? Now his eyes are blue, and her eyes are brown, how perfectly remarkably strange. Brown eyes, blue eyes, big nose, little nose, straight hair, curly hair, different, but the same. I said, isn't it incredible, simply unforgettable, being with you this way? Wow, those are thick arms. Hey, those are thin arms. How perfectly remarkably strange. Thick arms, thin arms, brown eyes, blue eyes, big nose, little nose, straight hair, curly hair, different, but the same. Now isn't it fabulous, simply enrapturous, being with you this way? Look at those long legs, look at those short legs, how perfectly remarkably strange. Long legs, short legs, thick arms, thin arms, brown eyes, blue eyes, big nose, little nose, straight hair, curly hair, different, but the same. Now isn't it terrific, simply exquisite, being with you this way? Her skin is light, his skin is dark, how perfectly remarkably strange. Light skin, dark skin, long legs, short legs, thick arms, thin arms, brown eyes, blue eyes, big nose, little nose, straight hair, curly hair, different, but the same. Now isn't it delightful, simply out of sightful, being with you this way? I said, isn't it delightful, totally insightful, being with you this way? And we're going to be like this all the rest of our lives, so come and be with us. We're on our way. So that is my book about diversity called Being With You This Way.